Welcome to the month of August here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Motorized Coach Division of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. As summer begins to wind down during the month of August, we have a lot of great events occurring, but be sure to join us on Wednesday, August 22nd for our live interactive monthly presentation on this, the Winnebago Horizon 40A, America's best-selling Class A diesel pusher right now. The sea of sameness is over. This is the RV business RV of the year, the Winnebago Horizon 40A. On Wednesday, August 22nd, we'll have our live interactive presentation. Of course, we'll take all of your questions live, and we now have the Winnebago Horizon 40A in stock and ready for delivery here at Lichtsinn RV. Now is a great time to interface with our factory-trained consultants here at Lichtsinn RV, where we now have in stock the Pure 3 lithium-powered Winnebago Touring Coach Travato, the 59GL, as well as the 59KL. So be sure to check out our great content from our marketing team on each of the 59GL and the 59KL, as well as we now have in stock America's best-selling Class B diesel in the 4x4, the Winnebago Revel. All three in stock now at Lichtsinn RV. Be sure to interface with our factory-trained consultants, where we can do a live interactive presentation from the comfort of your own home or office, where we can cover all of the things that are important to you in the Travato and the Revel here at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi, it's Hannah here with Lichtsinn RV. The end of July brought the conclusion of Winnebago's annual Grand National Rally. And with it, we had some great trades added to our inventory that we're excited to share. In our Class A lineup, we have a 2017 Winnebago Journey 36M. In our Class A gas lineup, we've recently added a 2007 Itasca Sun Cruiser 35A and a 2016 Itasca Sonova 35G. Also recently added to our Class C diesel lineup was a 15 Winnebago View 24J and a 2017 Winnebago View 24G. We're also excited about a new addition to our Class C gas, and that is a 2008 Itasca Cambria, a 29H model. And of course we can't forget our Class B segment. Recently added to the gas, the Travatos, was a 15 Winnebago Travato 59G, and also a 2017 Era 70X. And unique about that is that it is a 4x4 model. So we update our website daily with our inbound trades, so I'd highly encourage you to check out additional info on all of these wonderful inbound units. Thank you.
Hi, this is Reed Burkholder, RV Sales Consultant with Lichtsinn RV. Just wanted to talk to you about the Revel. We do have one in stock, ready to test drive. So if you have time, you're in the area, you'd like to come and test drive the Revel, or even fly into Minneapolis or Des Moines, we can also arrange transportation from either one of those cities, get you here, have you test drive, check out the Revel, and look forward to seeing you guys. Let us know how we can help. Hi, this is Reed again. Lichtsinn RV will be featured on an upcoming episode of Going RV, airing August 15th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 8 p.m. Central Time on Great American Country. Please be sure to tune in to Going RV.